It's a little-known fact that every living thing needs phosphorus to survive, something Dr. Donald Mavinic is keenly aware of.
There's a lot of talk globally, and everybody knows about this, about the energy, and particularly peak oil. But there are so many different forms of energy, and it is replaceable. I'm a lot more concerned, and I've been talking about this for quite a while now, about the issue of fresh water, but also now the element phosphorus, because without those two, you simply cannot live.
Endeavoring to address the issue of mineral buildup known as struvite in wastewater treatment facility pipes, civil engineer Donald Mavinic discovered that it was a mineral compound rich in phosphorus.
Well, the problem comes in these pipes here, at the bends and in the valves, and you get these crystals form, and the combination of magnesium and ammonium and phosphate form under right pressure, temperature conditions, and they form this hard crystal structure. It's actually a fertilizer, but it's useless in its form. So when you put the technology into place and intercept the nutrients, a lot of this problem goes away and the maintenance costs drop dramatically.
Over the next 10 years, Don and his research team developed an elegant design for a practical phosphorus recovery system, transforming a costly problem into a valuable product.
There's the problem, which is the crystallization in the pipes, and here's the solution to it. So we can produce this instead of this with the technology we've developed.
This innovative technology addresses some of the major environmental concerns of the modern age. It also prevents phosphorus from being released into waterways as a pollutant by harvesting it in the form of a high-quality fertilizer.
So the high-quality stuff, which means lots of phosphorus in the natural rock, is disappearing very rapidly. And of course, that's the most expensive fertilizer that you can buy.
The phosphate recovery process, pioneered by Don and his team, has been commercialized by Vancouver's Austera Nutrient Recovery Technologies Incorporated.
Well, the Pearl 500 means it produces 500 kgs, 500 kilograms of struvite per day. The City of Edmonton will produce 1,000 tons per year. They probably will save between $200,000 and $400,000 per year.
Dr. Mavinic has headed the environmental engineering program at UBC since 1984 and is the author of more than 250 papers and technical reports. He was recently invited to address Parliament on how emerging Canadian environmental technology is helping to address urgent global phosphorus issues.
So all of a sudden the technology from here, very sophisticated technology, has now been brought down to a level that is so easy for the third world to use. It's going to enable the third world country to be able to grow food for themselves using their own waste products and so forth with a very simple technology.
APEGBC is proud to present its Meritorious Achievement Award to Dr. Donald Mavinic.